Okay, the next type of area concept questions, alright, revise on area. The figure below is made up of a square and 3 identical rectangles. Find the parameters of the figure. So first, because it's a square, so how do I find, why do I do this? Because this is 3, this will be 3, this will also be 3. So I use 3 times 3 equals to 9. That will give me my length of my square. That will give me the length of my square. Okay, so 18 plus 9. Why 18 plus 9? Because this is a square, this is also 9. So 18 plus 9 will give me the breadth. No, the length, sorry, 27. So we are using the parameters, right? So we use length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Or simply length plus breadth, the answer, times 2. Okay? So remember parameters, we must remember to write our cm. Okay, next. Find the length of AB if the parameters of the figure is 62. Okay, so what do we do? Okay, we got to use the push-out method. Let me show you. So this one is actually, if I push it out here, it is actually here. So this one no more. Okay. So next push up, I'm going to push out this line CD. So no more. I'm going to push it up. Can you see? So this is just a simple rectangle. So we're going to find the length first. How do we find the length? Always remember, use the parameter divided by 2 first. Always use parameter divided by 2 to get 31. Why do I want to do that? Because that will give me one length, one breadth. Some people may say that I like to minus 10 minus 10. Yes, if you do that, minus 10 minus 10, you will get full length. Many children, from what I saw, they always forget to divide by 2 at the end. So to prevent you from making this mistake, we always divide by 2 first. The parameter divided by 2 will get one length and one breadth. So now 31 is one length and one breadth. We know that the breadth is 10 cm. So 31 minus 10 equals to 21. Okay, 21 cm. Okay, 21 minus away my 15. Here, I will be able to get, no, sorry. I already know that the length is 21. I already know that the length is 21. So I minus 15, I will be able to get GF. GF is the same as AB, of course. So if I'm finding GF, I'm also finding AB. Got it? So that's how we solve this question. Okay. Alright. So this one is the takeaway method. Okay, takeaway method. Just now remember we do cut and paste, pushed out. Okay, so this is the takeaway method. Takeaway method means what? We find the area of the big square minus the area of the small square, we'll get the shaded part, or vice versa. If we get the area of the big square minus the shaded part, we'll get the small square. So now we need to find the area of the small square. Okay, or is it a square? Okay. So first we know that it's a square cut and each side is 80. So we're going to find one side. If each side is equal, so 80 divided by 4, that will give us 20. So every length is 20. Okay, the length is 20. So what is the length of the small picture of the picture? We got to minus 4 on one side and minus 4 on the other side. Okay, can you see? Because here is 4, here is also 4. So we're going to find this length here. Okay, so it's 20 minus 8. That gives us 12. So that is the length of the picture. It's 12 cm. So how do we find area of the picture? 12 times 12. Who knows the answer for 12 times 12? Put up your hands. Yungshen, yes. Yungshen, yes.
144.
Yes. Yes. Not very fast on that. Putting up our hands is very fast on. So that's the area of the square, 144. And this is area, remember to write your square. Square centimeter. Okay, your turn again. Let's do the area. Always remember, use the perimeter divided by 2. First, always the first step is perimeter divided by 2. That gives you 28. That's the first clue I'm giving you. So that's one length, one breadth. You know the breadth, so you can find the length now. It's so easy now. Goodness me. 8 minus 8, right? So the answer should be 20. The figure below is made out of two identical rectangles. So A and B is exactly the same. The area of the square is half of the rectangle. Easy, right? So find the area of the square. And then, so how to find area of the square? Length and breadth. Okay? Length and breadth. 4 times 4 equals to 16. That's the area of C. And since that A is double of C, so we times 2. 16 times 2 give you 32. Area of A is the same as area of B. So the answer is D. Oh, sorry. Area of the shaded. Sorry. You got to find area of the shaded, which means you got to plus the square. Alright, area of rectangle and square. You get 48. Yes.